Hi, your hard drive or SSD could be failing right now, and you might not even know it. Drives often fail silently, which is why regular monitoring is so important. Let me show you 2 free ways to check your drive's health today. Right-click the Start button, and select Terminal, Admin. To make it easier, I've saved the command in a text file on my desktop, so I'll just copy and paste it into the terminal. This command runs Microsoft's official Express test built into Windows, which interacts directly with your hardware and displays the results in 3 simple columns. You can find this command in the video description to do the exact same thing. Press Enter. Let's look at the result, FriendlyName. This identifies your drive, so you know exactly which SSD or HDD is being tested. HealthStatus, this is your main diagnosis. If health is shown, then everything is fine with you. If you see Warning, your drive has issues. But if it says Unhealthy, your drive is in critical condition. You need to back up your data immediately. OperationalStatus, this shows the current working state. OK means the drive is active and functioning normally. If you see Predictive Failure, it means the drive is still working for now, but its internal system is reporting that it's about to die soon. To find out how many terabytes of data you've already written, the actual wear of your memory cells, or when your drive might fail, we'll use the legendary and completely free CrystalDiskInfo program. Its interface is incredibly simple. Blue means good, yellow means caution, and red means bad. You don't need to be a pro to understand it, the app speaks for itself. Here's how to get it: open your browser, and search for CrystalDiskInfo. Go to the official website. Click here, to download the standard edition. Once it's downloaded, you can close your browser and open your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer, and follow the prompts to set it up. When you launch the app, you can easily change the language in the settings if you prefer something other than English. The program automatically scans your PC, and if you have multiple drives, you can toggle between them using the top panel, where you'll see their names and drive letters. First, look at the large colored indicator on the left. Blue, good, means your drive is in excellent shape. Yellow, caution, is a warning sign. It means the drive is starting to wear out or has developed bad sectors and it's time to think about a replacement. Red, bad, means the drive is dying, stop everything and back up your data immediately. Right next to the health status, you'll find the temperature. The ideal temperature is below 45 degrees, the icon remains blue, up to 55 degrees is quite acceptable under load. However, if it goes above 60 degrees, your drive is overheating. The icon will turn red and might even start flashing to grab your attention. Even if your drive is brand new with 100% health, constant overheating can kill it or cause your system to lag. If you see that the top icon is blue, and the bottom icon is red, then most likely your drive needs better air circulation. By default, the alarm threshold is set to 60 degrees, but you can customize this. Just click on the temperature icon, and in the window that pops up, you can set your own limit. This is a great way to get an early warning if your PC is getting dusty or if your fans aren't keeping up. To show you how it works, I'll set the limit to 38. Click Apply, and the program immediately changes color to alert me. Next, click on the health status icon. In this window, you'll notice the top sliders are inactive, those are for traditional HDDs. For modern SSDs, the most important setting is Remaining Life. This directly controls the health percentage and is linked to the wear and tear counter of the memory cells. Here you can also move the slider, and customize the program as you need. It's a perfect way to stay ahead of any potential issues. When switching between different disks, all their technical characteristics are displayed in the center of the window. Think of the left side as current health, and the right side as usage history. Take a look at Total Host Reads and Total Host Writes. These tell you exactly how many terabytes of data have passed through the drive since day one. Every SSD has a lifespan limit, and this is where you see how close you are to that limit. Since the app doesn't know the specific factory limit of every single model, here's a quick tip to figure it out. Note your total host writes, for example, 6 terabytes. Search online for your drive model, plus the acronym TBW, which stands for total bytes written. If your drive has a 60 terabytes limit and you've only written 6 terabytes, you've only used about 10% of its lifespan. Next, power on count tells you how many times the PC has been started or woken up with this drive. Power on hours shows its actual age in hours. Divide this number by 24 to see how many full days, or years, the drive has been running. This is an incredibly useful feature if you're buying a used computer. In the Features section, make sure you see Trim on the list. This confirms that Windows is properly maintaining your SSD. If it's missing, either you're using an old HDD, or your motherboard or adapter settings are blocking this function. Background monitoring. To keep a constant eye on your drives, you'll need to toggle 2 quick settings in the top menu. Go to the Function menu and select Startup. This ensures the app launches automatically with Windows. If you ever want to turn it off, just uncheck it in the same menu. Next, select Keep Running in System Tray. This keeps the app running quietly in the system tray instead of cluttering your taskbar with an open window. Once active, you'll see live temperature icons for each drive in your tray. Just click any icon to pop open the main dashboard. To keep the data fresh, head back to Function, go to Auto Refresh, and pick an interval. 10 to 30 minutes is usually the sweet spot for most users. Alerts and notifications. Don't risk missing a drive failure. You can set up an audible warning under Alert features. Just enable alert sound, and CrystalDiskInfo will play a chime the second your drive's health hits a critical level. Now you know everything about your drives, from hidden system statuses to actual wear and tear percentages. If your status is blue and your temperatures are normal, congratulations, your data is safe and sound. Have a nice day.